Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 hidden features of iOS 27 you should know. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the first hidden feature is in Photos application. So, if you go to Photos application and if you are playing a particular video like this, and suppose if you want to capture a particular frame as photo, then all you have to do is you just have to pause the video on that particular frame, and after that if you tap on three dot, you get a new option which says save video frame as photo. So you can basically save this frame as photo. As soon as I select it, it gives a pop-up saying save video frame, and if I go back, now you can see this is the frame or this is the photo which we have captured from video. So this feature was not available earlier, but after iOS 27 you do get it. Now the next hidden feature is in sound and haptics. So if you go to settings and if you go to sound and haptics, we get a volume slider over here, and that is for ringtone. But if I go down, this time after iOS 27, you can see there is a new volume slider for alarms and alert. Again, this option was not available with iOS 26, or it was not available earlier, but after 27 you do get it. So you can set a different volume level for ringtone, you can set a different volume level for alarm, and you can set a different volume level for alert as well. So now you can see ringtone volume level is different, and same goes with alarm and alert. Now if in case you want the volume level of alarm and alert to be same as ringtone, then you do get this toggle option. If you turn it on, whatever volume level you have selected for ringtone, the same will be applicable for alarm and alert as well. Now there is one more hidden feature in lock screen wallpaper, and that is, again, go to customization mode and select new wallpaper. So I have selected this wallpaper. If in case you want to extend the wallpaper, now you can do it. So just swipe out or zoom out like this and tap on extend. Now what it will do is, you can see it is saying extending your wallpaper, and this can take a few moments. So the additional area will be generated through AI, and basically you can extend or expand your wallpaper. So now you can see this is the extended wallpaper. Simply tap on add and save it as wallpaper pair. So this is how it will look like. So if you want to extend any particular wallpaper, now you can do it. If I talk about next hidden feature, that is actually a hidden setting, and that is related to Siri. We all know that after iOS 27, we get new Siri AI and also a dedicated Siri application. So if you go in app and if you go to new chat, currently it is saying ask Siri, but you can change that. If you tap on it, and again if you select ask, here you can choose whether you want to ask Siri or ChatGPT. So if I select ChatGPT, now it is saying ask ChatGPT. So this time you can ask anything to ChatGPT, but if you want to continue with Siri, you can do that. Next hidden feature is in message application. So if you compose new message, in text box you can see on the right hand side, you might be able to see voice memo or mic icon. There was no option to remove it earlier, but after iOS 27 you can remove it. But that is actually again a hidden setting. So if you go to settings and if you go down and if you select apps, search for messages app, and in messages, if you go down, you get an option of show in text field below iMessage app. So if you select it, you can select none over here, and after that if I go to message and if I compose a new message, currently you can see the icon which was present over here earlier is now gone. So if you don't need it, you can basically remove it. So these are some hidden features and settings of iOS 27. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.